Alright guys, so this is your long-term review of the AQUASTRONG ionizer. You can see it's still doing its thing. It's been in this pool for 1 week exactly. If you saw it before, and here's the clip right here, what it looked like before. Alright guys, so it's pool season, and as you can see, we are actually struggling with a little bit of algae. Not a lot of it, just some. You can see that it was very green, very cloudy. And the way that I know that the ionizer is responsible for this by AQUASTRONG is the fact that this pool has not had any additional chemicals added to it in the past week. Nobody's been here to swim in it, nobody's been here to touch it. You can even see the leaves in the water down there as to a testament that nobody's been vacuuming or cleaning. You can even see the dirt and sand down there. But you couldn't even see the bottom of this pool a week ago. And with the same chemicals that were already in the pool, by adding the AQUASTRONG ionizer, you can see it killed most of the algae in this pool. So that's your 1 week checkup. I'm convinced that it works. I highly recommend this for your pool if you want to save some money on some chemicals. And I hope this video helps. And thanks for watching, guys.